Good morning, class 9. Welcome to GK class. Today, our topic of discussion is women as wordsmith. In this topic, we will discuss the contribution of great Indian women writer of Hindi and English. From conservative Subhadra Kumari Chauhan to feminist Jhumpa Lahiri, the names are unlimited. Discuss some of the great Indian women writer in this module. चमक उठी सन 57 में वे तलवार पुरानी थी, बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Yes students, these are the very famous lines of the poetess Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. So we will discuss first the contribution of Subhadra Kumari Chauhan to Indian poetry. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan was born in 1904 and lived till 1948. She was born in Nihalpur village in Allahabad. She studied in Crostwit Girls' School in Allahabad and passed middle school examination in 1919. After her marriage, her surname was changed from Chauhan to Thakur. Apart from the Jhansi Ki Rani, which was an emotionally charged poem describing the life of Rani of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, she was well known for her other works like Veeron Ka Kaisa Ho Basana, and she also wrote short stories on the life of middle-class Indian families. The next in the list is Arundhati Roy. Suzanda Arundhati Roy is an Indian author best known for her novel The God of Small Things, for which she also won the Best Booker Prize Award in 1997 in fiction category. Apart from being author, Arundhati Roy has been an active political activist involved with the human rights and environmental causes. For her contribution to English literature, Arundhati Roy has got Norman Mailer Prize for her distinguished work and also got Sydney Peace Prize Award for her work in fostering human rights in India. Earlier in her career, Arundhati Roy also worked for television and movies. She wrote screenplays for many TV series. She was also appreciated for her performance in the movie Electric Moon. The next is Mahadevi Verma. Mahadevi Verma has been a famous Hindi writer and she has been also awarded with the title of Adhunik Meera or Modern Meera. She has produced a number of masterpieces like Neerja and Path Ke Saathi, which was the best-selling book at that time. She got Janapith Award for her literary work of Smriti Ki Rekhaएं. The Government of India awarded her with Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan and Sahitya Academy Award for her literary work of Ateet Ke Chalchitra. The next women writer is an English writer called as Anita Desai. Her original name was Anita Majumdar and she was born in 1937. She has also served as Professor of Humanities at the Massachusetts International Institutes of Technology, where she has written the book Fasting Feasting. Her famous works has been In Custody, The Village by the Sea, in which she has described about her childhood. Another famous work of Anita Desai is The Fire on the Mountain, where she has described how the Indian women has to face the domestic violence. She has also got Booker Prize for her book Journey to the Ithaca, in which she has described that how the religious fanaticism affect the mind of even the modern people in India. And last but not the least is Nilanjana Sudesh Jhumpa Lahiri, who is an American Indian author, well known for her short stories, novels and essays in English and Italian. She is the only women writer who has got the Booker Prize for 4 times consecutively. She has been regarded as one of the feminists and her work shows her attitude towards feminism. Her work also depicts that how she is affirmed to save the rights of the people. The famous works for which she has got the Booker Prize is The Namesake. For namesake, she has also been awarded with the Pulitzer Prize, and she has been the only women author who has got this prestigious award. Jhumpa Lahiri, in her book Interpreter of Melodies, has explained that how deaf and dumb signifies different symbols and what they interpret in their own understanding. The Lowland is her another work in which she has not depicted the physical feature of anything. Rather, here, lowland means the depression, the mental stage which a person undergoes when he is hurt by someone. She is the only writer who has got both the prestigious awards, Booker Prize for 3 terms consecutively, and the International Pulitzer Prize. I hope this module has been informative for you on the writings of the different women writers, and you would be also inspired to become a good writer in future. If you want to explore more on this topic, you can search on the YouTube links about the contribution of famous women Indian writers. Have a nice day. Thank you.